And there you are, that's our lentil and bacon soup with a proper Tattie floater, or Tattie, depends where you come from. Tattie or Tattie. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today a lentil and bacon soup with a proper Tattie floater. Let's get on. Now on here I've diced some onion, I've diced some carrot, minced some garlic, I've got a little bit of celery. I'm using bacon lardons. I've got red lentils which have been rinsed and they're sat there. And I've got some potatoes. So we're going to start the potatoes off first. And you're going to want an oven on at about 200 degrees, somewhere around about there. Right, what we're going to do with these potatoes, we're going to microwave them for 10 minutes while we start all this. And then these are going in the oven. What I want to do is put a cross in there. Okay, so we're just going to come in there with a knife like that. And you'll see why at the end. So we've got a cross in there like that. Now you can prick these potatoes all over if you so wish. That is up to you. But there should be enough steam and things come out of there. Okay, we're going to bung that in the microwave. Don't do anything else to it. No oil, no salt, nothing. In the microwave 10 minutes. Okay, that's whirring away in there. Bring in a pan. So we want to be cooking our bacon lardons. Now I am going in there with a little bit of butter. And we're going to use the fat from the bacon. Little flame on, come on, in there. Bacon lardons. And as you can see, this was frozen. Now cook a little bit of tinge on there if you can. If you can't, don't worry about it. Just cook a little bit on there because I'm going to cook in the soup anyway. Lentils, make sure you rinse them clear. In there with the onion, got some carrot, got some celery. Nice colours there. In there a little bit of salt. So you're going to cook this for about 6 or 7 minutes. Loosen all that lot up in there. Soften it up. Cook out the rawness of that onion. And then we're going to chuck in some garlic. In there some pepper. Salt and pepper to taste actually, but if you're using chicken stock cubes or veg stock cubes, pork stock cubes, don't forget they carry salt. In there with that garlic. In there with your lentils. Little stir in. Want a bay leaf in there. Some thyme. And we're going to add our stock. I'm going to bring it up to the boil. We're going to knock it down for a simmer. Should put a lid on, partially cover it and let it cook for about 25 minutes, somewhere around about there. And what we want is a thick stand-up soup. If it goes too thick, add a bit of water. We got this up to a boil and then we're going to knock it down to a simmer. Simmer it for about 20-25 minutes, somewhere there. Leave it partially covered. There you go. Don't forget, within that 25 minutes, keep coming along, give it one of those. We don't want any of this sticking to the bottom. Top job. Okay, when you're getting a nice thick stand-up soup like that, that's good enough. We need to get this served up. Get the potatoes out and serve it up. Come on. Okay, here's the reason we put the cross in the potato. So take your potato out of there, and it's as simple as this. One of those. There you go. There's our tatty, ready for our soup. In there. On there with our tatty floater. On there, butter. Oh yeah. And then you decide, do you want to posh it up with a little bit of cheese on there, and a little bit of greenery, a little bit of fresh parsley. And there you are, that's our lentil and bacon soup with a proper tatty floater, or tatty, depends where you come from. Tatty or tatty. There you go, there's a hearty one. We got a nice soup going on there. We got our bacon in there, carrots, celery. Those lentils in there look thickened up very nicely. This is red hot, but there you go. It's absolutely stunning. Just like a ham hock split pea soup. And our tatty, come on. Our tatty floater in there. Nice crispy skin. Bit of butter melting, bit of cheese. Let's destroy it all, come on. Oh, that's a bit warm. Oh, that's a bit warm. Crunchy skin, nice and fluffy potato inside. What a perfect lentil, bacon and tatty floater. Great meal. A lot of goodness right there in that bowl. Share with your friends, tell them how easy it is to make a lentil, bacon and tatty floater. A proper tatty floater. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.